Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Mastering Machine Learning with Python, a comprehensive tutorial. Introduction. Machine learning is a rapidly growing field with applications in various domains such as healthcare, finance, e-commerce, and more. Python has emerged as the preferred language for machine learning due to its simplicity, versatility, and a vast array of libraries such as scikit-learn, tensorflow, and pytorch. In this tutorial, we will explore the best course for learning machine learning with Python, along with code examples to solidify your understanding. Course Overview. The best machine learning course with Python that we'll be exploring is the Machine Learning AZ Trademark, Hands-on Python and R in Data Science on Udemy. This course is taught by Kirill, Eremenko and Hadelin de Ponteves, two renowned data scientists, and covers a wide range of machine learning concepts and techniques. It's suitable for both beginners and intermediate learners. Key features of the course. Code example: predicting house prices with linear regression. As an example, let's dive into a simple machine learning project using linear regression to predict house prices. We'll utilize Python and the scikit-learn library. This code snippet demonstrates a basic implementation of linear regression for predicting house prices. However, the course covers various other algorithms and techniques for more complex problems. Conclusion. The Machine Learning AZ Trademark course on Udemy provides an excellent foundation for mastering machine learning with Python. By combining theoretical knowledge with practical hands-on projects, you'll gain the skills necessary to tackle real-world machine learning challenges. Whether you're a beginner or an intermediate learner, this course will empower you to build and deploy machine learning models effectively. ChatGPT.